Have you ever noticed that some of the dumbest people end up in charge? From clueless managers to world leaders making disastrous decisions, it almost feels like incompetence is a qualification for power. Why does this keep happening? And what if being too smart is actually what keeps you from the top? History is full of examples. Emperor Nero supposedly played music while Rome burned. More recently, Elizabeth Holmes built a billion-dollar empire on technology that never worked. Yet both reached positions of enormous influence. This isn't random. There's a hidden pattern. And to see it, we need to go back 500 years to one of the most brutally honest thinkers in political history, Niccolo Machiavelli. Exiled from politics, Machiavelli wrote The Prince. And he didn't sugarcoat it. He argued that power doesn't reward morality or intelligence. It rewards appearances. Everyone sees what you appear to be. Few experience what you truly are. Translation? Looking confident and competent can be more important than actually being either. And here's the paradox. Highly intelligent people often sabotage themselves. Why? Because real intelligence brings hesitation, nuance, and self-doubt. Meanwhile, bold but shallow leaders win by speaking with absolute certainty. Society confuses that confidence with competence. Think of Socrates, brilliant philosopher, endlessly questioning. But in politics, his doubt and nuance got him executed. Compare that to leaders who make sweeping promises and claim they have all the answers. Simplicity wins over complexity every time. Even modern research backs this up. A leadership study found intelligence helps, but only up to an IQ of around 120. Beyond that, it can actually hurt. Why? Because extremely smart people struggle to connect with the average person. Their ideas sound complicated. Their hesitation feels like weakness. But it gets worse. In the 1990s, psychologists Dunning and Kruger discovered a bias we now call the Dunning-Kruger effect. People who know the least often believe they know the most. Meanwhile, real experts doubt themselves because they see the complexity. Shakespeare nailed it centuries earlier. The fool doth think he is wise, but the wise man knows himself to be a fool. And here's the scary part. In politics, business, and even your workplace, the confident fool often gets chosen over the cautious genius. So why do incompetent people rise to power? Because systems reward confidence, relatability, and simple answers, not depth, humility, or complexity. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Sometimes being the smartest person in the room is exactly what keeps you from running it. If this perspective is making you rethink leadership, hit subscribe right now, because we break down philosophy and psychology in ways that help you decode the world around you. And if you want to dive deeper, check out this video next, point on screen, where we explore why people are so easily manipulated by authority. The paradox is real. Confidence often beats competence. Recognizing it might just change how you see power forever.